Welcome to XcooBee. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to make your WordPress site more secure. As a developer, professional, or higher XcooBee member, you have access to XcooBee WordPress plugins that will aid in adding privacy tools to your WordPress site. In this video, we will review the download and configuration of the XcooBee plugin. First, here is my site, and as you can see, I'm logged into my WordPress account for the site. To get started, we will go to the Plugins tab and select Add New. Here, we can search for XcooBee. Once we do, you'll recognize the big B in the results. To start the installation process, select Install Now. After a few seconds, the plugin will install. Then we select Activate. This will then take you to your installed plugins page. Since the plugins are in alphabetical order, scroll to the bottom to find the XcooBee plugin. Once you find it, click Settings. Once you do, notice XcooBee is now in your left-hand navigation. So now we have some fields we need to populate to get XcooBee plugins working correctly and synced with XcooBee. The fields are API key and secret, and PGP secret and password. For these, we need to visit the XcooBee dashboard. From your dashboard, click your username in the top right, and then select Settings. Then click the Security tab. Once here, find the API key section and click Generate. XcooBee will generate the API key and the API secret. Copy and paste both of these strings into the corresponding fields in WordPress. Once you do that, click Download. Now that you've downloaded the file, click Close. Next is the PGP key. First, make sure the Allow XcooBee to store your private PGP key is not selected. Also, if you're a more advanced user and already have a PGP key, you can upload it here. For our example, we will have the system generate one for us by clicking Generate. Once you do that, it will ask for a key size. Select either 2048 or 4096. Then put in a password that you will remember. You will need it in the next step. Then click Generate. Once you do this, you will need to click Download. The file should download immediately. Once it does, open it and copy its contents. Then paste them into the PGP secret field in WordPress. Once that has been completed, go back to XcooBee and click Save. That lets XcooBee know you are accepting all of these steps and moving forward. After that, remember the password I was telling you to remember? Type it in here. Now, once all that is done, and you want to ensure that you have done everything correctly, click Test Keys, and it will check all of it for you and give you the go-ahead, hopefully. There, we're good. Doing this links both systems, XcooBee and your WordPress, together and enables XcooBee security features for your website. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on other XcooBee tutorials.